Okay, so here I am in the main menu, and if I go down here to movies and select my movies, this is all the movies that Kodi has scanned in. If I scroll down to, uh, let's see, where is it? Yes, this one. It's coming up as the Big Fat Quiz of the Year. Obviously, that's not this movie, it is Man of the Year. So, we need to fix that title. So, first off, what we need to do is figure out okay, uh, have we saved the movie correctly? So, I go in here, I hit an I on my keyboard. I'm using a regular keyboard at this point, just easier for stuff like this. So once we hit I, this gives us all the information about the movie. So what we're interested in is the path here. So if we go here over to path, we get to the folder that it's in, and then the file name, Man of the Year 2007.mkb. What we need to verify is if this year is in fact correct for this movie. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to IMDb and get the years that this movie was made and see if in fact 2007 is correct or not, because that could be why it is pulling it up incorrectly. So I'm over here on my computer, and first what I want to do is open up in the browser and open up the IMDb website. And I'm going to search that title, Man of the Year. Now, if I have it correct, it should say 2007, which is what it's showing over there. So here's the movie. And right here I can see it is in fact 2006. So that would be why the movie is not showing correctly. Once Kodi scans it, it expects you to save the year correctly, and that is how it scrapes the movies. There's many different scrapers, but regardless, wherever you're scraping from, the years have to be correct to the movie. Okay, so I'm going to go to that particular movie. Man of the Year, right here. I'm going to change this to 2006. I'm going to go in here, change all this to 2006. The only one that really matters is this, the MKB file, but I just want everything to match up. So I'm going to go ahead and change all this. So now that we got that changed, close this all out. And we're going to go back to the Kodi system. Okay, so now that we're back here, at the Kodi system, we are going to, we can't really refresh this because right now it still thinks it has the 2007. So we're going to come out of this. We're going to actually remove this movie. So we go to our menu and then we go to manage for that particular movie. We're going to remove from the library. Okay, let me show you this first. What some people may do, instead of going to your actual file and editing your file, you come in here to Kodi and go, well, I don't want to go through all that trouble, go over to my file and edit the actual file name on the computer. So I'm going to just come over here into Kodi and edit the title here. So I could come in here and I could actually change this right here and put the Man of the Year 2006 and it would find it. The problem with that, if you ever have to redo your Kodi system, You get a different Kodi system in the bedroom and you want to connect, you rescan your NAS system where all the movies are stored, or the database on the Kodi system here gets corrupt, then this movie goes right back to this again. Because why? Because on the NAS system, the file was wrong. So fixing the file over there eliminates the problem. That way, anytime you rescan it, it comes up correct. And if you get a new Kodi system in another room, an additional Kodi system, it'll all come up correct. I'll show you. Okay. So, we're not going to edit this. So what we're going to do is, again, let me bring that up a little bit so you can see. Okay, so I'm on the title. I'm going to open up the menu on it by just holding Enter key. So once I hold the Enter key, it'll come up with that menu. I'm going to go to Manage. Then I'm going to Remove from Library. Yes, I want to remove it. Okay, so it's gone. Now I'm going to press the left arrow key to open up the submenu. There's a variety of ways to get to these menus, depending on how you have your Kodi system set up. If you have it in kiosk mode, that won't even be available. You have to disable the kiosk mode. That's something eventually I'll get to that point in the episodes where you'll see what that kiosk is. But anyway, I'm going to update my library. Transfer content. You'll see it in a moment. Come up with Man of the Year. Man of the Year 2006. It seems any other movies I maybe added. I have not searched by anything. Okay, so now that movie is no longer here. I forgot what it's called. There's something right here. Anyway, so now if I come down to Man of the Year, Man of the Year, right here. And if I hit I, information, again, this is my path. This is the folder I was in. This is what I changed, the 7 to the 6. And this is the file name that I changed, again, 2007 to 2006. So simple enough, easy to fix. So that is how you fix the movie title. Thanks again, always thanks for watching Kodi More Than Streaming, my video series. I hope you subscribed by now. I am starting to upload the creation of a Kodi system, the entire system, which is the Theater PC, the NAS, Network Attached Storage System, the networking involved, the computer to create all your media content, to put it in and get it over to your NAS system so it can stream over here to the Theater PC. And I will see you on the next one. Have fun.